Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it. And now we have to find the personal section and enter security. Now let's scroll down again in order to find clear credential storage, and at the very bottom of it we've got the option we're looking for, clear credentials. So let's tap on it. At least try. Let's tap on it. And your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents or all the certificates. So let's tap on OK if you're ready. Okay, and as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.